Now, Katie, tell the wonderful people about the time in Mr. Staley's class.
Yeah, one time I would sneeze real bad. And sometimes whenever I sneeze, I just go, whoo! Or I go, whoo! You know. And, one time, I was trying to keep my hands from going up because, well,
we were in the middle of class.
And so I was sitting there like this. And I was like, and she's like, stuff like that. And I was like, flying. The desk right in front of me. I was like in the very back row. There were 3 or 4 desks in front of me. I keep my desk in front of me. All of them went flying to the chalkboard. He's like, and I was like, Mr. Taylor, are you okay? I'm like, I'm not even there. Just sitting. Like, this is the desk.
And then he had to ask about me because I was almost on the floor laughing.
Yeah. Oh, that reminds me that one time I gave you a Tic Tac off the floor.
I still hate you for that. Yeah, maybe my sister and my best friend and everything, but I'm still going to end up killing you in your sleep one night. I'm just kidding. I love you.
For me to tie and
I'm still recording, aren't I?
Okay.
Nope. Okay. Yeah, anyway.
He's like, doing everything. I was like,
Where? Oh, he walked away.
He's out there and everything, put his face up to the window like this, and I was like, walked away.
Oh, yeah.